First, we dug out the water feature the way we wanted. I put the extra dirt off to the side, but later realized it really wasn't extra. So I recommend putting down some plastic and putting all your extra dirt on top of it near your project in case you need some of it, like I did. Once it's all dug out, level it off the best you can. Once you level everything off, lay down your underlayment. When you do a project like this, I definitely recommend drawing it out first, just to make sure you have enough material to cover everything. I of course didn't do that, so it was pretty close. Because our yard isn't too steep, I want to make sure I taped up the seams on the rubber lining. Luckily I had some leftover RV roof tape. This stuff is super sticky and seals up nice. It really starts to shape up as you put the rock down. The only problem is I shouldn't have put the pea gravel down right away. You actually need to run your water feature first, then pump the water out, and then you can put gravel in. Next, I use this expanding foam on the waterfall. You use it to divert the water to where you want it and also hold the rocks together. Make sure you follow the instructions on the can. Which means hold the can upside down when you're spraying it. There you go, dummy. While the foam's setting up, you can put some gravel in it or even moss. And it does say in the instructions, don't get it on your hands. I'm off on a rock foraging mission. Not a bad little haul. So I wish I thought of this earlier. Our local transfer station's got a big pile of rocks. All free. Scored a whole bunch of big rocks. Oddly enough, rocks are sort of expensive at the landscaping stores. But I got some rocks! Like I mentioned before, run the water for a few minutes and then pump out the muddy water. Here's my version of a pump. So because I didn't use a line level, the water level is too low on the pond skimmer. So now I gotta try to figure out what to do. Hi, Marley. So I might have to raise up the sides. So guys, you got it done. It was a lot of hard work, but it was well worth it. Can't wait to show you guys, so let's take a look. Well, that's it, guys. Hopefully this will help you decide if you want to do a project like this or hire a professional or just pass on it altogether. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you.